Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have finally found it, an AI tool through which you can generate unlimited, high-quality AI videos for free, whether it's text to video or image to video, and the quality of these videos is just outstanding. Here are some examples generated using the tool I'm talking about, and as you can see, the results are awesome. Honestly, I'm shocked that this is completely free and unlimited. You can also use this tool to generate high-quality images too. Isn't that awesome? Now in today's video, I'll show you how you can use it to create high-quality images and videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool we'll be using today is called ChatGLM. This is another absolute banger of a tool from China, and trust me, it works really well. Now the website is currently only available in China, the USA, and a few other regions, but don't worry, I'll show you a way to access this tool from anywhere in the world. To get started, simply click on the link in the description. It will open up this interface. As you can see, everything is in Chinese because it's a Chinese website, but if you're using Google Chrome, you can just click on the translate button to convert it to English, or you can simply follow the steps I'm showing you. Now, in order to use this tool, you'll need to log in, so let's click on the login option. Here's the catch. You can't sign up with an email. You have to provide a phone number, and it has to be from China or the USA. Don't worry, I'll show you how to log in using a USA number. First, open this website. Here you'll see many different phone numbers available for different countries. Since we need a USA number, let's select that. Copy the phone number, but make sure you don't copy the country code, just the number itself. Next, go back to ChatGLM. Select the country code, I'll choose USA, and paste the phone number here. Now click on Get Verification Code and solve the puzzle. After that, a verification code will be sent to the number. To get the SMS, just return to the previous website, scroll down a little, and click on Update Messages. And here it is, you'll see the code. Copy it or note it down, then go back to ChatGLM, paste the code, check the box, and hit login. And that's it. We're in. It was a bit tricky, but it worked perfectly. Now, this is the main interface. As you can see, you can use it for pretty much everything you'd normally do with ChatGPT, research, creating video scripts, generating image prompts, and a lot more. But today, we're here for the images and videos. So let's start with the image feature. For that, click on the AI Draw option, and it will open up this interface. If you scroll down, you'll notice some generations made by other users. And honestly, they look pretty good too. Alright, let's generate some images of our own. In the prompt section, I'll paste this prompt. Next, if you click on Style, you'll see so many style options available. For now, I'll just keep it at none. After that, you can adjust the aspect ratio from here and then hit Generate. And wow, it really doesn't take much time to generate the images. Here are the outputs. As you can see, it generated 4 different images, and honestly, I wasn't expecting this level of quality. The results really surprised me. The images look so good. It's honestly on par with some of the biggest AI image generators out there. And the fact that this is completely free with unlimited generations just blows my mind. This is too good to be true. Now, let's try generating a different style of image. I'll paste this new prompt. By the way, guys, if you want a detailed guide on how I create my prompts for videos, just comment prompt below and I'll share my step-by-step process with you. Alright, now I'll change the aspect ratio to this setting and hit generate. And here are the outputs. Just wow. Look at these images, folks. They are extremely high quality, and it perfectly captured that authentic Japanese anime style vibe I was going for. You guys absolutely need to try this out. And now, let's test the video generation option. For that, click on the AI video tab. Here you can generate both text to video and image to video. First, let's check out the text to video option. For the prompt, I'll write a very simple one. Next, you can adjust the video settings from here. As you can see, some settings are free while others are premium. I'll just keep everything at default and hit generate. It usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes to generate the video. And here's the output. Wow, guys, just look at this. The video looks really nice. Now, it's not quite on the same level as tools like Kling or Minimax, but hey, it's completely free with unlimited generations, so we can't really complain. In fact, I'd say this is even better than some of the paid models out there. Now let's try the image to video option. I'll upload this image, give it this prompt, and hit generate. And here's the output. Oh wow, now this is where things get exciting. Just look at this video. It seriously looks like something out of a Disney movie. The motions, the lip movements, everything looks so natural without any weird distortions or morphing. This is insanely good. With this, you can easily create stunning animated content that has the potential to go viral. Alright, let's test one more. This time, I'll upload this image, add this prompt, and hit generate. And once again, the results are fantastic. Honestly, I'm shocked that a free AI video generator can produce results at this level. China is really pushing the AI game to the next stage, and I'm totally here for it. So, there you have it, guys. An AI video generator that's free, unlimited, and delivers high-quality results. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.